Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shifa. I'm pleased to have you here. If it's your first time stumbling upon this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button such that you're alerted when I post. I'm on this journey to live my life in a healthy way that I can really sustain. I'm passionate about hair, natural hair, and so much more that I'll share on here. Share also tips and tricks that have worked for people that have had work, real life, solve problems, and yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
In today's video, I set out to make veggie bean burgers. And guess what? I ended up with something close to falafels. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'll just insert the word on screen. I ended up with that. And if you don't know falafels, this is I want to say Middle East, a Middle Eastern street food that's delicious. It's crunchy. You can eat it as a sandwich. You can. It's just overall delish. I'll insert a picture of it. Anyway, you're going to even see what I ended up with. It's close to that, but not all the way close because the ingredients are sort of different, but the base of it all is similar to what a falafel base would look like, because you'll see the ingredient list in the description box, everything that I use, the amount and everything. So yeah, I was going for bean burgers and then I made falafel. Yeah. And the reason why I ended up with something close to falafel is my blender. So my blender kept jamming. I had to add water that I didn't necessarily have to. Then I ended up adding, I feel like, way more flour than I had to, because the texture of the burger was not, as I wanted it to be, or it was supposed to. This recipe, you can get away with just using your hands to mix the ingredients all together. The next time I make them, I'm definitely going to use my fingers, my mingling stick, because at the end of it all, I removed everything, the mixtures from the blender, and I had to put in a bowl and then have to mix it with a mingling stick. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there, that I intended to do something else and I ended up with something else. But hey, they turned out super delicious. They were great. I loved them. My people loved them. And yeah, except for the part where I added flour that was not healthy. I didn't have a healthier alternative on hand, and I wanted to make them. I had them with the mayo that we made in the previous video, and if you haven't watched that homemade mayo video, I'll link it down below so that you can go ahead and watch it and see how I was able to make homemade mayo with all the ingredients that and everything. And yeah, let's dive into the video.